Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and theories, and in this video we are going to discuss the term Amoebean verses. Introduction. Amoebean verses, derived from Greek term for interchanging, are a poetic device where verses, couplets or stanzas are spoken alternatively by two speakers. This technique is closely related to stichomythia and is particularly effective in generating tension and conflict within a text. Common in pastoral literature and not unusual in drama, Amoebean verses have been used by many poets and playwrights to create dynamic and engaging dialogues. This video explores the nature and significance of Amoebean verses, providing examples and discussing their impact on literary works. Definition and characteristics. Alternating dialogue. Amoebean verses involve a structured form of dialogue where two speakers alternate in delivering verses, couplets or stanzas. This back and forth exchange can create a rhythmic and dynamic flow in the text, enhancing the emotional intensity and dramatic effect. Relation to stichomythia. Stichomythia, another literary device involving rapid alternating dialogue, is similar to Amoebean verses. Both techniques create a sense of urgency and conflict, but Amoebean verses often involve longer units of speech, such as couplets or stanzas, allowing for more developed arguments or expressions of emotion. Usage in pastoral literature. Common occurrence. Amoebean verses are particularly prevalent in pastoral literature, where they often depict debates or competitions between shepherds or other rustic characters. This setting allows for the exploration of themes such as love, nature, and social commentary through a structured and engaging dialogue format. Example: Spenser's Shepherd's Calendar. A prime example of Amoebean verses in pastoral literature is found in the 10th eclogue of Edmund Spenser's Shepherd's Calendar. In this poem, characters Piers and Cuddy engage in a debate, alternating their verses to present their arguments and perspectives. This exchange not only highlights their individual viewpoints but also creates a sense of competition and tension, drawing the reader into their discourse. Amoebean verses in drama, creating tension and conflict. In drama, Amoebean verses serve to heighten tension and conflict between characters. By structuring dialogue in an alternating format, playwrights can emphasize the opposing viewpoints and emotional stakes of the characters, making their interactions more compelling and impactful. Competitive element. At its best, Amoebean verse involves a competitive element reminiscent of the medieval poetic contest or debate. This competitive nature can add an extra layer of excitement and engagement as the characters vie to outwit or outrage each other through their alternating verses. Significance and impact. Dynamic interactions. The alternating structure of Amoebean verses creates a dynamic interaction between characters, enhancing the dramatic effect and emotional intensity of the text. This technique allows for a more active and engaging reading experience as the reader follows the rapid exchanges and shifting power dynamics between the speakers. Enhancing themes. By using Amoebean verses, writers can effectively explore and develop themes such as conflict, competition, and dialogue. The structured format allows for a clear and focused exploration of these themes, making the text more thematically rich and complex. Conclusion. Amoebean verses, with their alternating structure and competitive nature, are a powerful literary device for creating tension and conflict in both pastoral literature and drama. Examples like Spencer's Shepherd's Calendar demonstrate the effectiveness of this technique in enhancing the emotional intensity and dynamic interaction between characters. Through their structured dialogue, Amoebean verses offer a unique and engaging way to explore themes and develop character relationships in literature. So this was the discussion on the term Amoebean verses. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.